The Motorola Razr Plus 2025 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 are among the newest clamshell-style foldable phones. Modern flip phones with folding screens have been around for over 4 years now, and they're better built, more durable, and even more affordable than ever. The new Motorola Razr 2025 starts at $700 before discounts. These new flip phones have larger cover displays, ranging from 4 inches on the Razr Plus to 3.4 inches on the Z Flip 6. Motorola even lets you run pretty much any Android app you want on the outer screen too. The clamshell phones have better cameras, and aside from folding in half, are just like using a regular candy bar style phone. Even better, last year's models, like the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Motorola Razr Plus 2025 and Oppo's Find N3 Flip can be found at steep discounts. If you're considering buying a flip phone in 2025, there are a lot of options to navigate. But we tested and reviewed everything on this list to help you find the best foldable flip phone for you. We have listed the 5 best dumb phones 2025, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started.
Number 5. Punkt.
MP02 Minimalist Mobile Phone, the Punkt. MP02 Minimalist Mobile Phone is a bold statement in a world saturated with complex smartphones and endless notifications. Designed for those who seek simplicity and focus, the MP02 strips away the distractions of modern technology, offering a streamlined experience that emphasizes communication over consumption. At its core, the MP02 features a clean, intuitive interface that allows users to make calls and send texts without the overwhelming clutter of apps and social media. Its robust design is both stylish and functional, with a durable exterior that can withstand the rigors of daily life. The device is equipped with a high-quality keypad that ensures tactile feedback while typing, making it a pleasure to use for those who prefer the feel of physical buttons over touchscreens. One of the standout features of the MP02 is its impressive battery life, allowing users to stay connected for days on a single charge. This makes it ideal for individuals who want to disconnect from the digital noise without sacrificing the ability to stay in touch with family and friends. Additionally, the phone supports 4G connectivity, ensuring that users can enjoy fast data speeds when they need them. The Punkt. MP02 also incorporates a unique Punkt app ecosystem, which includes essential tools such as a calendar and a to-do list, further enhancing its functionality while maintaining its minimalist ethos. By focusing on the essentials, the MP02 encourages users to engage with their surroundings and foster real-life connections, rather than getting lost in the digital realm. Number 4. Nokia 880. Tough. The Nokia 880. Tough is a remarkable device that stands out in the rugged phone market, designed specifically for those who lead active lifestyles or work in demanding environments. This phone embodies Nokia's legendary durability, offering a robust build that can withstand drops, bumps, and harsh conditions that would spell disaster for most smartphones. With an impressive IP68 rating, the Nokia 880 Tough is not just resistant to dust, it can also handle immersion in water, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, construction sites, or any setting where exposure to the elements is a concern. Beyond its resilience, the device features a user-friendly interface and a long-lasting battery that ensures you stay connected throughout your day, even in challenging situations. Its large buttons and simple navigation make it easy to use, even with gloves on, catering perfectly to users in various trades or those who enjoy outdoor activities. The Nokia 880. Tough also boasts a range of essential features, including a high-quality camera for capturing moments on the go, a bright display for clear visibility in sunlight, and a selection of apps that enhance its functionality without compromising performance. In a world increasingly dominated by fragile smartphones, the Nokia 880 Tough serves as a reminder of the power of practicality and durability, making it a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable device that can keep up with their lifestyle. Number 3. Doro 6820. The Doro 6820 is designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind, making it an excellent choice for seniors or anyone who prefers a straightforward mobile experience. This mobile phone features a classic flip design, which not only provides a nostalgic feel, but also helps protect the screen from scratches and damage when not in use. One of the standout features of the Doro 6820 is its large, well-spaced buttons that facilitate easy dialing and navigation, significantly reducing the chances of making accidental calls. The device also boasts a bright, high-contrast display that enhances readability, making it easier for users with visual impairments to see and interact with their phone. In terms of functionality, the Doro 6820 supports essential features such as calling, messaging, and an FM radio, alongside a built-in torch for added convenience. It is equipped with a simple menu and offers an emergency button, allowing users to quickly reach out for help if needed. Additionally, the Doro 6820 supports hearing aids and has enhanced sound quality, ensuring clear conversations. With a battery life that lasts for days, users can rely on the Doro 6820 without the constant worry of needing to recharge. Overall, the Doro 6820 is not just a phone. It's a device tailored to meet the needs of those who value ease of use, practicality, and reliability in their mobile communication. Number 2. Nokia 2660 Flip. The Nokia 2660 Flip is a modern twist on the classic clamshell phone design that many remember fondly from the early 2000s. With its sleek and compact form factor, this phone is perfect for those seeking simplicity and functionality without the overwhelming features of a smartphone. The device offers a vibrant 2.7-inch main display, which is complemented by a secondary 1.7-inch external screen that allows users to check notifications at a glance. One of the standout features of the Nokia 2660 Flip is its user-friendly interface, designed to cater to individuals who may not be tech-savvy. The large tactile buttons make dialing and texting a breeze, while the clear font settings ensure readability for users of all ages. Moreover, it comes equipped with a built-in FM radio and MP3 player, allowing users to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go. Battery life is another strong point for the Nokia 2660 Flip, boasting an impressive longevity that keeps you connected without the frequent need for recharging. This makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize reliability over the latest smartphone trends. Additionally, the Nokia 2660 Flip supports 4G connectivity, providing users with faster data speeds and access to essential apps like WhatsApp and Facebook. It also includes a 0.3 MP camera for capturing spontaneous moments, adding a touch of modern convenience to its classic appeal. Number 1. Nokia 8210. The Nokia 8210 is a classic feature phone that has captured the hearts of many with its simple yet elegant design. Originally launched in the early 2000s, it became a symbol of durability and reliability in an era dominated by bulky mobile devices. Weighing in at just 79 grams, the 8210 is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag without adding any noticeable bulk. One of the standout features of the Nokia 8210 is its vibrant and customizable display, which was a significant upgrade for its time. The phone offers a straightforward user interface, allowing users to navigate effortlessly through its functions. With a comfortable keypad layout, typing messages or dialing numbers feels intuitive and fluid. Battery life is another strong point of the Nokia 8210, with the ability to last several days on a single charge, which is a stark contrast to many modern smartphones that require daily charging. This longevity makes it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a phone that won't let them down during extended use. Despite its simplicity, the Nokia 8210 includes essential features such as SMS messaging, a built-in calendar, and even the classic Snake game, which has become iconic in mobile gaming history. The phone also supports customizable ringtones, allowing users to personalize their device to reflect their style. In a world where smartphones dominate, the Nokia 8210 serves as a reminder of the roots of mobile communication.